Yes, so today we can discuss about one of the good topic, that is cloud security. Traditionally, security concerns have been the primary obstacle for organizations considering cloud services, particularly public cloud services, in response to demand. However, the security offered by cloud service providers is steadily outstripping on premises security solutions. According to security software providers, that is McAfee, today 52% of companies experience better security in the cloud than on premises, that is Link reduces outside IBM. And Gartner has predicted that by this year, infrastructure as a service, cloud workloads will experience 60% fewer security incidents than those in traditional data centers. Link residues outside, and that is the information. And nevertheless, maintaining a cloud security demands different procedures and employee skill sets than in legacy IT environments. Some cloud security best practices include the following: shared responsibility for security. Generally, the cloud provider is responsible for securing cloud infrastructure, and the customer is responsible for protecting its data within the cloud. But it is also important to clearly define data ownership between private and public third parties. Data encryption. Data should be encrypted while at rest, in transit, and in use. Customers need to maintain full control over security keys and hardware security models. Data encryption is most important because nowadays data accessibility is there, means hackers are changing the data, and they are doing everything, and so that for to control the data from the hackers, encryption is most important. I also experienced to do data encryption. We will also do data encryption for so many secure things. For that, what we are doing is we are retrieving the data, and we are putting for every space certain special keywords we are using. By that, at the time of encryption, in the decryption, those special keywords we are removing, and then the data will be transferred. Likewise, it is doing, but software should be very carefully updated, and encrypted data only will be there in the database. Then at the time of utilization to front end, again we are receiving the data from the database with encrypted, and then the same spaces, for every space we are using some special characters. This decryption software will remove all those spaces will be there, that it will replace the special keywords in that space. In that, it will put spaces only. By that, the meaningful data will come in the database. Likewise, every time we are using the decrypted data, likewise we are able to secure the data information, especially for high level processing we use to do it. So data encryption and decryption also very useful, but in limited cases only it is better to use. User identity and access management. Customer IT teams need full understanding of and visibility into network, device, application, and data access. Identity and user identity and access management. This is also most important. We also do this also in my past identity and access management. Access management is also very useful thing. We developed a very good software in Dubai for Dubai municipality. That time we sent developers from here, from India to Dubai. That time password is changed, because for every month automatically it will change the password. But we are the developers, so we know the password. There, at the time of presentation, they are not able to get the password. password is changed. So we send everything, password, everything we send it, but that is month ending. The next month is coming means password will be automatically changed. So that they feared so much how to enter it. We forget the password, otherwise we entered the wrong password. They feared so much. That time what we did is, he phoned me after half an hour. So what we have to do? The password is not working means, then we remembered. We also forgot that we are not saying anything. Then we remembered that this is today is the first. So the first date of the first month. Then we say that yes, it is software. Automatically password will be changed. This is the password. You use it means, then they get it and they get the access. User access will be there. Then they will be very happy, and they presented the Dubai municipality about the software and everything. So they felt very happy. But that is our wrong only, because at the time of going itself after 2 days after reaching the Dubai, at the time of presentation, this is first. In first, user will be changed. User password will be changed. So take it the information of algorithms regarding the information. If we send it is before, they should not have any fear, but they feared so much because that is a presentation day on that day. So then by phone itself we cleared everything and they sent it, but they struggled half an hour. But they feel that it is any installation may be changed, otherwise we are not in the correct platform. Likewise they are thinking how it is not coming means, but actually we also felt very bad. And finally, user access is most important for every month. We put it likewise because that is Dubai municipality. So, but we will give passwords to them also. This will be changed for every month. For the security purpose, we are putting all these. So, user identity and access management is most important, and we should not forget. Every month is user management is changing the password means those things we should say clearly, and we should give a note to the EDP in charge of that particular processor in that area. So it is most important. We also experienced that. So access management, user identity and access management is also most important, and the customer IT teams need full understanding of and visibility into network, device, application and data access. Then the next subject is collaborative management. Proper communication and clear understandable process between IT operations and security teams will ensure seamless cloud integrations that are secure and sustainable. That is there only they are able to do successfully in Dubai. So that is the collaborative management. Security and compliance monitoring. This begins with understanding all regulatory compliance standards applicable to your industry and setting up active monitoring of all connected systems and cloud-based services to maintain visibility of all data exchanges between public, private and hybrid cloud environments. This is the information. So cloud security is also most important. But generally in our local systems, in my website also I am using eScan antivirus. I am using it is comfortable, and my systems are safe from viruses and all these. Automatically it will show today we deleted this virus and this virus and this virus, as information it will give. Likewise cloud security is most important. So many antivirus softwares are there. Kaspersky is there, eScan is there, so many are there according to their choice and the availability they are using. This is the cloud security system I want to discuss with you. I discussed it with you. This is the information I want to share my experiences also. Wishing you all the best. Be careful regarding these services, cloud security services. Wishing you all the best.